Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We delve into the captivating world of Kirti Suresh's latest sari fashion photoshoot, where traditional elegance meets modern sophistication. In this breathtaking shoot, Kirti exudes timeless grace, draped in a series of exquisite saris that highlight her impeccable style and poise. Each sari is a masterpiece, showcasing intricate designs, vibrant colors, and luxurious fabrics that seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary flair. From rich silks adorned with delicate embroidery to lightweight georgettes embellished with modern motifs, her sari collection is a testament to her versatile fashion sense. Her choice of accessories further enhances her ethereal beauty, with carefully selected jewelry pieces that complement each ensemble perfectly. The photoshoot's stunning locations, ranging from opulent interiors to scenic outdoor backdrops, provide the perfect setting for her radiant charm to shine through. She gracefully poses in each outfit. Kirti effortlessly captures the essence of elegance and sophistication, making this photoshoot a visual feast for fashion enthusiasts and admirers alike. Her sari fashion photoshoot is more than just a display of beautiful attire. It is a narrative of elegance and cultural heritage woven into each fabric. Her innate ability to embody diverse sari styles comes to the forefront. Whether it's the regal aura she exudes in a classic Banarasi sari or the modern twist she brings to a chic, minimalistic chiffon sari, her versatility is unmatched. In one frame, she enchants us in a traditional Kanjivaram sari, with rich, gold zari work that glistens under the lights, paired with temple jewelry that adds a touch of royalty. She transitions effortlessly into a contemporary organza sari, adorned with subtle floral patterns, showcasing a perfect balance between tradition and modernity. Her graceful draping techniques and sophisticated blouse designs add layers of depth to each look, making the sari not just an outfit but a statement. Her makeup and hairstyle choices further enhance the allure of the photoshoot. With each sari, she dons a makeup look that complements the color palette and theme, ranging from bold, dramatic eyes for a striking look to soft, dewy finishes for a more romantic feel. Her hairstyles, whether it's an elegant updo adorned with flowers or loose waves cascading down her shoulders, add the final touch of perfection to her ensembles. The backdrop of the photoshoot plays a crucial role in bringing Kirti's sari looks to life. From the grandeur of a historical palace that resonates with the opulence of her traditional saris to the serene beauty of a garden that highlights the freshness of her contemporary styles, each setting is thoughtfully chosen to complement the aesthetics of her attire. Her choice of saris not only reflects her personal style but also highlights the rich cultural tapestry of India. Kirti's stylist has meticulously curated each look to ensure it resonates with the theme of the photoshoot. For instance, in a series of shots set against the backdrop of an ancient temple, the actress is seen wearing traditional South Indian silk saris, complete with intricate gold jewelry and a gajra in her hair, invoking the essence of divine elegance. In contrast, another segment of the photoshoot is set in a contemporary urban landscape, where Kirti is seen in chic, modern saris that are perfect for today's fashion-forward woman. Here, she experiments with unconventional draping styles and edgy blouse designs, proving that the sari can be both traditional and trendy. Paired with statement jewelry and minimalist makeup, these looks are a nod to the evolving fashion sensibilities of the modern Indian woman. Her ability to adapt her persona to match the mood of each sari is truly commendable. In one moment, she exudes the quiet grace of a classical dancer, and in the next, she transforms into a contemporary fashionista, showcasing her versatility as both an actress and a style icon. Her poses are a blend of poised elegance and natural ease, capturing the fluidity and grace of the sari. The lighting and photography further enhance the visual appeal of the photoshoot. Soft, diffused lighting highlights the delicate details of the saris, while dramatic lighting adds depth and dimension to the more intricate designs. The photographer's keen eye for composition ensures that each shot is a work of art, with Kirti effortlessly becoming the focal point of every frame. The lighting and photography further enhance the visual appeal of the photoshoot. Soft, diffused lighting highlights the delicate details of the saris, while dramatic lighting adds depth and dimension to the more intricate designs. The photographer's keen eye for composition ensures that each shot is a work of art, with Kirti effortlessly becoming the focal point of every frame. Her sari fashion photoshoot is more than just a collection of beautiful images. It's an ode to the timeless elegance of the sari and a celebration of Indian craftsmanship. It showcases how the sari can be reimagined and styled to suit every occasion and personality, reinforcing its status as a timeless piece of clothing. Through this photoshoot, Kirti not only pays homage to the rich cultural heritage of India but also sets new trends in the world of fashion, inspiring countless women to embrace the sari in all its glory. Her traditional Kerala Kasavu sari, where the simplicity of the white and gold is elevated by Kirti's impeccable styling. Set against the lush greenery of a traditional Kerala home, she embodies the serene beauty of a Malayali bride, with her look completed by gold temple jewelry and a jasmine flower garland in her hair. This look not only highlights the elegance of the sari but also pays homage to her roots, making it both personal and poignant. She dons a striking red and black silk sari, perfect for festive occasions. The sari, adorned with intricate zari work, is paired with a contrasting blouse that features modern cutouts and embellishments, adding a contemporary twist to the traditional attire. The vibrant colors of the sari are beautifully complemented by the golden hues of a heritage palace, creating a visual symphony of color and tradition. Her bold red lipstick and neatly tied bun with a single red rose add a touch of old-world glamour, making this look a standout in the photoshoot. The versatility of the sari is further showcased in a segment where Kirti opts for a lightweight, pastel-colored linen sari, perfect for a breezy, casual look. The soft, earthy tones of the sari, paired with minimalistic silver jewelry and a loose braid, exude a relaxed yet chic vibe. Shot in a quaint cafe with rustic interiors, this look is a refreshing departure from the grandeur of the previous ensembles, emphasizing the sari's adaptability to different settings and moods. Her knack for experimenting with accessories is also evident throughout the photoshoot. From traditional jewelry like jhumkas, bangles, and maan tikka to contemporary pieces like statement necklaces, chokers, and ear cuffs, each accessory is chosen to enhance and complement the sari. Her ability to blend traditional and modern elements is not only a testament to her keen fashion sense but also an inspiration for sari enthusiasts to explore and experiment with their styling choices. The photoshoot's narrative is also enriched by her expressions and body language. Her eyes tell a story of grace and confidence, while her poised demeanor adds a layer of sophistication to each sari. Whether she's captured in a candid moment of laughter or striking a graceful pose, her presence is magnetic, drawing viewer into the enchanting world of sari fashion. The actress dazzles in a dazzling silver sari with sequin embellishments, perfect for an evening gala. The dimly lit setting, with sparkling lights in the background, creates a dreamy, ethereal ambience, making Kirti look like a goddess descended from the stars. Her sari fashion photoshoot is a masterclass in style, elegance, and versatility. Her ability to effortlessly switch between different looks, from traditional to contemporary, and her impeccable styling choices, make this photoshoot a true celebration of Indian fashion. In a bold and edgy segment of the photoshoot, Kirti experiments with fusion fashion by donning a sari with a contemporary twist. She pairs a sleek, black satin sari with a metallic corset blouse, blending traditional draping with modern silhouettes. The striking contrast between the fluidity of the sari and the structured blouse creates a dramatic effect, making this look stand out. The actress accessorizes with chunky silver jewelry and smoky eye makeup, adding an element of fierceness to the ensemble. This look is perfect for those who love to push the boundaries of traditional fashion and make a bold statement. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.